Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mint water. First, select about 10 to 15 fresh mint sprigs. Gently wash them under cool water to remove any dirt. Next, lightly bruise the leaves by pressing or tearing them slightly. This helps release their aromatic oils. Finally, place the prepared mint into a pitcher and add 8 cups of filtered water. Stir everything together and let it infuse. To elevate your mint water, consider adding other ingredients. Sliced cucumber offers a cool, crisp flavor that pairs wonderfully with mint. For a zesty kick, incorporate a few lemon or lime wedges. If you prefer a touch of sweetness, fresh berries such as strawberries or raspberries are excellent choices. Experiment with different combinations to find your perfect blend. For optimal flavor, allow your mint water to infuse in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This gives the mint ample time to release its essence. You can store the infused water in the fridge for up to 3 days. However, it's best to remove the mint leaves after about 24 hours to prevent the water from becoming bitter. Enjoy it chilled for maximum refreshment. Mint water isn't just delicious. It also offers several benefits. It can aid in digestion and is a fantastic natural breath freshener. Plus, it provides a wonderful, calorie-free way to stay hydrated throughout your day, encouraging you to drink more water. For those looking to simplify their home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's a smart way to keep your floors spotless. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.